Hey, what's happening, guys? Dan Darrow here with another Options and Play video update. So I wanted to follow up with the Q idea, which we spoke about last week. Did a video kind of breaking it down, right? And I love these types of setups. So like these specific patterns that form where you're kind of you have like a relatively good idea of what the time frame is going to be needed to resolve this pattern, and then once the pattern resolves, you have a reasonably good expectation of what the potential move could be, right, point wise. So for us, we were talking about this setup on the Qs, and I didn't know which way it was going to resolve, but it was when we were spinning around and hanging right around this 340 level, right? Because the scenario I was talking about was when we got and chopped we got down to it and chopped around in January, led to a fast move 20 plus points higher. When we bounced and chopped and tried to hold it in March and failed, it led to a fast 20-point move lower. With where the Qs was hanging, right? I mean, there was multiple gaps on the upside with the path 20 points higher. And then if we lost that 340 area, the obvious level was the 52-week low, which is about 20 points lower, right? My timing, like my thinking time wise was about 2 weeks. The reason is this week, huge week of earnings. Next week, FOMC rate decision, right? Well, you only needed 1 week. Broke 340. Guess what? Hit traded below 320 today. 20 plus points. Less than a week, right? Now, could there be another trade? My thinking is yes. I mean, this is now sitting right at this pivotal monthly support level with the mega cap names about to start reading out earnings, right? So we could have another 20 points just before the end of next week now too. I mean, I feel like if we break down, what's the next level, right? You got to go back away. Next level to me, probably closer to 300, right? That was like the early spike down level from last year, 2021, right? And then obviously the upside target is just where we were last week, which was in like the 340s. So that's about 20 points higher from where we're sitting right now, which is like 320 and change, right? So we had a really quick move down. Now we could be set up for another quick move. And depending on how earnings goes, I mean, it could be a fast move up, could be a fast move down. And to me, it seems like we have visibility now for like another 20-ish point move in either direction. So these types of things keep setting up. I mean, I don't trade the Qs actively all the time, but when the setups present themselves, I try to take my shots here and there. Um, we'll see how the earnings go. I mean, I don't have a real clear bias on which direction is next from here, but I mean, to me, it seems like a setup where you can expect movement and options. When we trade options, we don't necessarily need to pick the right direction. We just need to pick the right strategy. And if we are in some sort of volatility strategy, you can capitalize on a move either way as long as it moves enough, right? So that's kind of what I'm thinking here. Okay. So if you like this video and you're looking for more information about trading events or these specific type of setups with options, please follow up for the link in the description of the video for more information on options to play. Have a great night. Best of luck if you're playing any earnings. Stay well, and I will talk to you all tomorrow.